Hey, what's up and welcome. I am Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. Let's continue with our TypeScript course. As you can see in the previous video, we were typing simple props. What do I mean by that? This is title and it's just a string, and this is age and it's just a number. What if we want to pass an array of ages? Okay, which are the ages. As you can see, TypeScript is telling us that we are having a problem. Type array is not assigned to a type number, which this is an empty array. Okay, it's okay and it's fine because this is an array of numbers. When we look here, okay, we are receiving only a number, which becomes a problem. So how do we type an array of numbers? This is how we do it. You just put the square brackets here and click save. As you can see, TypeScript doesn't give us a problem because now TypeScript understand this is an array of numbers. This doesn't end here. There is also another option, but it's a bit strict and also it works on a sequence. So the sequencing is very important. Let's just check here. What if we were receiving a number and a string here, which is Matthew? Okay, as you can see, TypeScript is telling us that we are having a problem. Why? Because this is a number, this is a string, and this is a number. How do we solve this problem? Okay, let's go back. And then we need to change this because now this is not only an array of numbers, but it's an array of a mix of types. Okay, so how do we show that mix of types? Then we will take, let's just remove this number and just put an empty array or an empty array of types. Okay, as you can see, the problem has not been solved. Let's just specify that we want a number. Still, it's not been solved. Let's say in the middle we have a string and in the end we have another number. We save. As you can see, this way of declaring string, it's more strict and it's more specific. The sequence is important. As you can see, it some sort of confirms, or it some sort of assures that we have a number, okay, in the first position or in position 0, and in position 1 we have a string, and in position 2 we have a number. As you can see here, that's why we don't have an error. Number, string, and an array. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. Please don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.